Enable the option to position the camera in the scene lighting. Adjust the scene lighting. Fine-tune the overall lighting intensity. Set the ambient light intensity coming from outside. Lighting intensity is determined by an artificial light positioned behind the observer's point of view. Select the scene quality and quickly generate a preview using the options set up. Edit the scene setup and generate up to 10 previews. Select the scene and launch the final high-quality render.